Meaning of family.
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 Family. Family refers to a group of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption who live together and share resources. It is a fundamental unit of society that provides emotional support, nurturance, and protection to its members. Families can take many forms, from nuclear families consisting of parents and their children to extended families that include grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. The concept of family is deeply ingrained in human culture and plays a critical role in shaping our sense of identity and belonging.